Ngavana wa Kaunti ya Masaku Wavinya Ndeti easya Silikali yake niyeekia Wiw'Ano na Vengi wa KCB kutwaa mbee milati ya Mwaki, utena uthu kwa mawithyululuko kana clean energy. Wavinya easya ngwatanio nikutetheesya Kwikia, Sola, masivitalini, masukulu ni vamwe na kundu, kungi kwa kutumika ni wanda kindu kila kiutetheesya kumanenga Mwaki wakwiya na kuola ngalama ya Mwaki vamwe na kwa ili uthukumi kwa mwene nthi. Wavinya ingi easya ngwatanio nikutetheesya kwa ile milati ingi ta matama malelo ne kana street lights nyumba cia mbano kundu kwa kusomea vamwe na mulati wa Machakos Youth Service kitabi.
When the MOUs where there is a
Silikali ya Kaunti ya Masaku kuyo mundi niyeekia Wiw'Ano kana MOU na Vengi wa Kenya Commercial Bank KCB Wiw'Ano lani wa kutwaa mbee milati ya Mwaki wa Sola.
As we sign this MOU today, we do so with a shared understanding that success will be defined by action, accountability, and measurable impact. As KCB, we remain fully committed to ensuring that this partnership delivers real and lasting benefit to the people of Machakos County.
Ainenea ombano ni Ngavana Wavinya Ndeti ni watungia Vengi muvea aiweta kana Mwaki wa Sola nukwitho itetheesya vanene kuola ngalama ya Mwaki masivitalini Masaku.
Energy is key for us. You know, when I came, I found out a lot of bills that we could not be able to sustain as a county government, and even some of the areas where we have our hospital facilities, there is no electricity close. And I would want to open my clinics maybe 24 hours. There are some places where I would want to 24 hours because, you know, a woman who is giving birth normally can give just anytime, anywhere. So for us, solar is solar solutions are very key, especially for our hospitals. And I really look forward to partnering with you so that at least we can save some money. If we have solar, we can save some money and buy medicine. It will be very impactful to our communities. You can imagine the bills of the last time I received a Kenya power bill. I don't even want to say it was big. Yeah, of course they're in business. They also are good partners. We work very well with them, but we would also want to save.
Allow me to thank you most sincerely, Your Excellency, for choosing KCB as your preferred partner. And not even that, for going a step further and collaborating with us to resolve some of the challenges that we had before.
Kavindane kau Ngavana Wavinya ni waweta kana ngwatanio ni kutetheesya vanene sekitani ya kiwu aiweta kana ndovo isya Masaku sieki wa Sola mwene nthi nukutetheka vanene.
We would want to partner with you on our boreholes also. You see, if we can also solarize all our boreholes, and that is, in fact, that is something we need to do like yesterday. Yeah, because we have boreholes that have very high yield, and we can solarize them and even pump and store water during the day. We're able to reticulate water to the nearby homes, and also it would be cheaper for us. The money that we would spend paying for electricity, we can use to buy pipes and take water close to the people. So that is another area. As you're considering this, we also want you to consider, in fact, almost immediately, if it's possible, on the solarization of our boreholes, and that is through our water companies.
The county has a very, very special place in our heart because it's just an extension of Nairobi County.
Yeah.
Yes, and you've grown the county has grown actually most of our leaders whom we are very proud of.
Ingi Wavinya ni wasya ngwatanio ni kwa ile masukulu kwa Kwikia Sola, matama malelo ni kana street lights, nyumba cia kumbanyene nthi na kundu kwa kutwaa ciana nini kana niyeekia.
We have daycare centers where our mothers now are taking their children during the day and go to work. Solarization of our daycare centers and also our social halls. Yeah, we have the social halls where, you know, the community halls. We have like one in Mulolongo and another one in Athi River, and we are moving to other areas. You can also solarize the social halls. It would also be good for us. That will go bringing our energy bill down. The other one is on street lighting security. If we can partner on security, you know, the 100 million or whatever we pay on electricity bill on street lighting, maybe we can do something else with the money.
We're in a tree planting exercise. So a number of the schools are actually the ones that cut down trees so that they can use the firewood for clean cooking. So we thought, for cooking. So we thought if we can support them to move towards clean energy and to clean cooking, then we can be able to eliminate the use of firewood.
Di Livotia Vilingi wa Movo Mutongo TV, Nita wa Charles Kitavi.